Hello everyone, today our topic is how to automatically send Telegram message for course published in Academy LMS. So here our objective is that whenever I get a new course published in Academy LMS, then I want to capture the details of that course and I want to send a message in Telegram group for that course. So for that, we will create an integration between Academy LMS and Telegram. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Academy LMS. In action application, I'm going to use Telegram. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how I am going to create an automation for Academy LMS and Telegram, such that whenever a new course gets published on Academy LMS, then automatically I want to send a Telegram message on my group about my published new course. So here we are going to use Academy LMS, which is a plugin in WordPress and which is also a learning management system and an application for documenting and tracking, reporting, automating and delivery of educational courses, training programs, materials or learning and development programs. So here, whenever I will publish a new course in Academy LMS, then automatically I will send a Telegram message on my group about that published new course. So for that, we will create an integration between Academy LMS and Telegram. For that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And this will take us to this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to automatically send Telegram message for published Academy LMS courses. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select home here and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Academy LMS. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and course publish will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And I will connect Academy LMS with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to use this webhook URL, which is going to work as a bridge between Academy LMS and Pabbly Connect. So for connecting these two accounts, I need to follow all this instruction. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And now I will go to my WordPress account where I have this Academy LMS plugin. And in this, I will go to add-ons and I will scroll down and I will find this webhook. So I'm going to open this. And here I'm going to add new webhook. So I'm going to click here on add new webhook. Now I have to give a webhook title. So my title will be demo and my status will be publish. Now I have to select my event. So I'm going to open this tab and course publish will be my event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to give a delivery URL. So I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect and I'm going to click on add webhook. So I have added my webhook here and my webhook is published. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this response, I need to publish a new course in Academy LMS. For that, let's go back to Academy LMS. I will go to courses. Now here, I'm going to add a new course. So I'm going to click here on add new course. Now I have to give a title for my course. So my title will be PHP course. And here you can give the description for your course. I will scroll down and my course type is free. And I'm going to fill these general settings now. So my maximum students for enrollment will be 10. So I'm going to keep it 10. Difficulty level will be beginner and the language will be English, and I will add a new curriculum. So my curriculum name will be chapter 1 and summary for this will be chapter 1, and my chapter 1 is for introduction. So this is my summary, which is chapter 1, and my name of my chapter is introduction. So I'm going to click on add curriculum. So this is my curriculum. Now I have to choose my instructor. So my instructor will be admin. Now we'll scroll up and I will click on publish and I will click on update. So my course is updated. I will go back. And here in all courses, we can see I have this new course, which is named as PHP course. So now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So the status is publish and my course is free. And the name of my course is PHP course. And difficulty is beginner. This is the date when I modified my course and my course is created. And this is my course link. So I got this response and I'm going to use this response and the details of my course, and I'm going to send a message automatically in my Telegram group. So for that, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application will be Telegram. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select this Telegram bot. Now I have to give it action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send a text message or reply will be my action event. Now I'm going to connect Telegram with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and to connect my Telegram bot, I have to give a token. So to get this token, I need to follow all this instruction. So first I will go to Telegram, and in this I'm going to use bot father. So you can search for bot father, and I'm going to click here on this menu and I'm going to create a new bot. So I'm going to click here, and now I have to give a name to my bot. So I'm going to name it as Pabbly1598 and I'm going to send this. Now I have to give a username, and before giving the username, you need to keep one thing in mind, that your username should always end with _bot. So my username will be Pabbly1598_bot. So I'm going to send this. And this has generated this token for me, and this is my bot. So I'm going to copy this token and I'm going to start my bot. So my bot is started. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste my token here. I will click on save. So my connection here is successful. Now I need a chat ID. So for getting this chat ID, I need to create a new group. So I will go back to Telegram. And here I will create a new group. So I'll click here on this pencil button and I will click on new group. And I'm going to add my bot in this and the user that I want in my group. First I will add my bot. So this is my bot. So I'm going to add this and I will create this group. Now I need to give a group name. So my group name will be PHP course 1 and I'm going to create this group. So this is my group. Now I'm going to open this group and I have 2 members here. Now what I need to do is I need to promote my bot as an admin to send the messages. For that, I need to use my mobile phone. On my mobile phone, I need to open my Telegram, and on that, I need to open my group of PHP course 1, and on that, I need to promote my bot as an admin. And promoting a member as an admin in a group is not available in Telegram web. So that's why I'm using my mobile phone. So I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to refresh this and I'm going to open this again. And here we can see I have promoted my bot as an admin. Now I need a chat ID. So for the chat ID, you need to go to this path URL, and in this, after this dash, you have this chat ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste my chat ID here. So this is my chat ID. Now I have to give a text message. So in the text message, I need to give the information of new published course that I have published in Academy LMS. So for that, I'm going to click here. And I'm going to type my message, which is we have published a new course of, and I'm going to map the name of my course here. And for that, I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to open this response. And in this, I'm going to find my course name, which is PHP course. So I'm going to map this. Now I will give a space. And I'm going to give the information about my enrollment, and we only have few seats left for enrollment, and the total enrollment seats are, and I'm going to map my enrollment seats here. So I'm going to open this tab And here is my enrollment limit. So I'm going to map this and I will give a colon before this. Now I will get to a new line and I will type, to get enrolled for this course, check out this link, and I'm going to map the link of my course here. So this is my link. So this will be my text message. It says, we have published the new course of, and I have mapped the name of my course here, and we only have few seats left for the enrollment, and the total enrollment seats are, and I have mapped the limit of my enrollment here. To get enrolled for the course, check out the link, and I have mapped my course link. Now I have these details, and these are not required details, but if you want to fill these details, you can fill that too. But I'm going to leave all this blank. So I'm going to scroll down and I will click on Save and Send as Request button. And here we have this response. So this is a positive response, and this means I have sent a message automatically into my Telegram group. Now to check this, let's go to Telegram. And here we can see I have this new message in my group which says, we have published a new course of PHP course and we only have few seats left for enrollment, and the total enrollment seats are 10. To get enrolled for this course, check out this link. So I'm going to open this link. So this is the link for my course, and this is the same course that I have published in Academy LMS. So I'm going to close this. So this is the same message that I want to send on my Telegram group for the new course that I'm publishing in Academy LMS. So here on my message, I have this details of the course that I have published in Academy LMS. And I have used these details and I have sent this message automatically. So here my integration between Academy LMS and Telegram is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Academy LMS and Telegram bots, such that whenever we are getting a new course published in Academy LMS, then we are using those details of the course and we are sending a message automatically on my Telegram group. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Academy LMS and my trigger event was course publish. Then I have set up my action, and my action application here is Telegram bot, and my action event was send a text message or reply. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.